you're gone. Fellas, I'm on the street last night. He said everything's alright. Roller coaster,
Ah, Camel is coming! Camel is coming!
I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're cooking on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better time. Let's go. All sing your high line with the roller coaster of life. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. Oh, you seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over. It's about time. Oh, sing your high line on the roller coaster of life. You've got to all
May dagat dito.
center. Takay. Yun yung left side. That's the power. Hindi pa. Next pa. Hindi pa dyan. Isang kanto pa. Yeah. It's not that one. That one is another thing. Like, different. Clock tower nga. Roundabout nga. Oh, ganda oh. It's DOS. 2 o'clock. But the roundabout. Ang daming daming halaman, no? Yun yung mga gusto kong halaman. Pwede ba mag-uwi niya? Grabe. Ganda. Parang nasa Pinas, no? Yung mga bulaklak, oh. Grabe. Ang ganda-ganda. Hindi ba tayo minis? Parang nasa Pinas na. Ang ganda. Hindi ko naman sinabi yan.
May iba, no? Ito, bigyan na lang. Chamber of Commerce, Intercity Hotel, and the city center is near there. Char! Ito ba yung niisip nating city center? Yung city center? Or it's not the city center that we are thinking? Ano to? Dera City Center? Ang Development Bank of arriving at, saving at parking. Dire. Saan na? Oh my God. Oh my God. Nawawala ang city center. Kaya nga tinatanong ko kanina eh, tama ba yung city center na naisip ko? Baka it's not the city center that I knew. Okay, so we are wrong. O ikaw na maghanap pa, Wayne, saan tayo pupunta? Hanapin mo dyan Oasis Mall.
Huh?
Kanina ko pa nakikita yung mga sign.
Oasis Mall?